55. 55 was interesting. A double top bear flag with 49. So we're in a very tight trading range, top of the range. There's not room to the bottom of the range for a short, but the bears might see it as a lower high on a trading range day and get 2 legs down. Basically we had 2 legs down to bar 28. The first leg was a wedge, and then a pullback, and then second leg down to 29, not 28. Then we had 2 legs up from 29 up to 46, and a lot of times on trading range days, the market just keeps going 2 legs up, 2 legs down, 2 legs up, 2 legs down. So this could be the start of 2 legs down. Great looking bear bar. If there's follow through, it'll flip the day to always end short, and then maybe 14 and 46 could end up being a double top bear flag. To me, I think it's more likely that we're going to get a wedge bull flag with 21 as the first push up and 46 as the second, because we've had a lot of buying pressure in there, and it looks like it's starting to form a broader channel upward. So anyway, if I get follow through on 56, I'll go short. Otherwise, I'll look to go long. No follow through on 56, so the market might try to go higher. We got a couple small bars on 57, 58. Might be getting into a tight trading range. I did not buy the high 2. There was a leg down to 50 and a second leg to 57. I want to see this play out some. 60, there's a breakout pullback short with a doji, but it's a tight trading range. There's no way that I'm shorting it. 61, bad looking higher low, tight trading range. I'm not going to buy above it, and the range is so tight I'm not going to sell above it either. 62 I thought was interesting because it's setting up a low 2 short below the moving average, but it's a trading range day in my opinion, and we've been going down for about 10 bars, so I'm not going to short. I might look to buy a failure, and we get the failure on 65, a 2-bar reversal, failed low 2, so the little flag from 57 to 63 turns out becomes a little final flag, and the breakout is a higher low instead of a lower low. Tight trading range, so not a great looking buy. I wanted an explosion to the upside, but the market was very quiet, and I ended up exiting. I probably, obviously I should not have, but if the market doesn't do what I want it to do, I'd rather get out with a tick or 2 profit, or even break even, than hope that it ends up doing what I want it to do. I get out. I debated it, but it looked like it was starting to hit another tight trading range in here, and I personally don't like holding positions in tight trading ranges. Anyway, because the market didn't explode up on 66 or 67, it made me believe that not many bears were trapped on the low 2 below 62 and 63. I was hoping that there would be some urgent short covering, and there was not. So that was, I thought that there would be trapped bears and there would be a sharp move up, and because there was not, the market was telling me that it wasn't doing what I thought, and therefore my thought was not right, and that made me decide to get out of the position. 2-bar reversal at 73, 2 legs up, 60 is the first leg. To me it's a bull micro channel from 65, so there's no way I'm going to short it. Then the question is, do I buy the failed breakout above 73? I did not. It's a breakout pullback. There's the bull flag down to 64 from 46, and it's a very weak breakout, and makes me less inclined to buy the pullback. It's basically buying a high 1 at the top of a slow momentum move, and I don't like to do that. 2-bar bull spike, 3-bar bull spike up to 76. The channel up from 64, or for that matter up from 57, is tight. The biggest pullback is only about 5 ticks or so. I'm not going to short this, betting that this pullback will be bigger. We had the same thing in the move up to 45. The pullbacks were all small, and it took that trade over an hour for a profit. And at this point, below 76, we don't have an hour left in the day, so I definitely wouldn't short it. Breakout pullback at 78. Theoretically, it's good, except that we don't have enough time left in the day, so I wouldn't take it. And the momentum up is so slow that for this to work, you'd have to bet that the market would suddenly find momentum into the close, and I think the odds are against that. So overall, head and shoulders bottom, bull flag day, and a breakout on 74, 75, but no follow through. Going into tomorrow, we have a two-legged bull channel. A bull channel is a bear flag, so you have to wonder if it's going to sell off. And the day is also a double top pullback. Okay, we have a double top with a couple of days ago, and we have a pullback here. So it's a setup for a possible sell-off. Nothing major. Reversals on the daily chart usually occur on second entries. We had the first attempt to reverse yesterday. If tomorrow trades below today's low, that would be the second attempt. The bulls are also very aware of how tiny the week is on the weekly chart, and it won't take much for the bears to have it be a small reversal week. And the bulls obviously want the opposite. They want this to be followed through from the breakout pullback of a couple of weeks ago. You know, I'm not trading that, but I am going to pay attention to it because you know, it helps me to read as many charts as I can. It just keeps me sharp.